It is too late. They can't hold you back right now. You're ready to spread your wings and fly as far as possible. They can't hold you now. It is too late. It is just too late. You've already you're out of a cage, beloved. You're out of a cage, and it is time to go. It is you're taking off. You're taking the flights. Hallelujah! Spreading your wings. Let them catch you right now if they can, beloved. Listen, just be going and doing things. You're about to do being so efficient. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. There's just so much for you to do right now. Creativity abounds. Creativity abounds right now. You're going to be doing just so much that you yourself, you will not be you think you will not believe that you have this so much talent in you, this so much gift in you. God is signaling you that there are gifts that are manifesting in you. Hallelujah. And these gifts that are manifesting shall add no sorrow. You're willing to explore, to test this gift, to see which one favors you and which one you need to discard. It's time to test those gifts of yours to see which to keep, which one to keep and which one to discard. Because there are many gifts. I'm seeing someone coming into consciousness of their gifts. Hallelujah. The gift of the spirits are manifesting in you to be honored practically. Glory be to God. You're not going to be down there anymore and trying to fathom what to do or what not to do, be in confusion. It's like you don't have your purpose. Listen, God is bringing you into your purpose. God is bringing you into your purpose. It is a time for you to honor your purpose, know your purpose, and honor it. Hallelujah. And go after it. God bless you so much. That's the heart to share in this video, beloved. God will just so straight and direct the point and say that you're ready to fly because your gifts are here for you. You can consciously pick them and being able to operate in them and excel in them in the best way possible. That's good news, beloved. God bless you. Enjoy your gifts, enjoy your purpose, and continue to move in Jesus' mighty name. Faith is our vehicle, love is our strength. See you in the next video.